Call to Spirit.
Where's Spirit? Say hello! Hello!
What do you think, huh?
Okay, I've never really done this before, bringing her in, so.
You want to just lay down here?
No, let's try to bring her in a little bit, because eventually I want to try to bring her and get Spirit at the same time, so let's see how we can do this.
Who are these guys?
Okay. These are the guys that I used to have over there. Wes, Zoe, and Brownie.
Okay,
See, she's got the temporary stuff up, see?
Oh, yeah, right.
That's what we're going to go get.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Hi, Wes. Hi, Brownie.
Are you videoing all of this?
Yeah.
You're taking up a lot of space.
Ooh.
Well, it will just be on my computer, though.